Hi, I'm Jamie with Lee Company, and I'm here to share a video with you today regarding our duct cleaning process. Here at Lee Company, we use the best technology available to ensure a quality job in your home, residential or commercial. We use the abatement technology 2500 and 4500 negative air machines. Both machines contain 3 stages of filtration so that when we're scouring and cleaning the inside of the duct system, all of that debris and particulates are contained in the machine and reducing pollutants back into the air of your home. The machine is taken into the home closest to the system and the ductwork so that it has the best effectiveness of pulling all that stuff out that's accumulated over the years in your home. Duct cleaning is recommended anywhere from 3 to 6 years. And that depends on if you have pets, carpet, things in the air that are disturbed, that are pulled in through your filter. Not all filters capture all these particulates. That's why every house is different. So we talked about the 3 stages of filtration. This is the beginning of where everything is pulled in. We hook a 10-inch hose that's connected to the duct system. And as the brushes and whip heads and things that we use, depending on what type of ductwork you have, all that stuff is disturbed and scoured inside and pulled back to this point. There is a basket that's located in this, and that's what captures all the large particulates. You name it. We've seen a lot of things in people's duct systems, things kids have thrown down from anything from dog food, marbles, suckers, stickers, you name it. All that stuff's collected in the basket. Then we move on to the pleated filter, and the pleated filter is your second stage. Very heavy duty to reduce anything that gets past or back into the airstream. And then the last stage is the HEPA filter. And that right there with those 3 stages ensures that 99.9% of the contaminants and pollutants that we pulled out of the duct system do not re-enter into the home. Okay, these are the tools or the ends that we use on the high pressure air. We have a compressor. It's about 185 pounds of pressure that runs through the line. We have the extension rods that can go up to 25 to 30 feet in length. We have little access holes that we drill into the duct that are capped after we're done, and to ensure they're sealed. But all these different whip heads and reverse and forward balls are used on all types of different ductwork. So we have all the different nozzles and ends to accommodate whatever type duct system you have, whether it's lined, square duct, round metal, sheet metal duct, or duct board. The whip heads go in with that high pressure and beat the inside of the duct system, but we also have another tool that we use, which is the brush head. So this brush head spins inside the round duct. We have different diameter brush heads, and that ensures that we run that inside and scour the inside of the duct system, drawing all that stuff back to the negative air machine. I wanted to mention another part of what Lee Company does as far as dryer vent cleaning. We do duct cleaning, commercial and residential, but also when we're at your house, we can perform a dryer vent cleaning as well. A lot of people don't think about having the dryer vents cleaned. They range anywhere from 5 foot long to 25 feet long. And as you can see, a lot of the length that's accumulated on the catcher here or screen, it can accumulate in the pipe itself, which cuts down on the reduction or reduces, increases dryer time, if you will, but also poses a fire hazard. So when you have Lee Company come out to your house, ask us about dryer vent cleaning. So if you have any additional questions, please visit us online at leecompany.com. Thank you for choosing Lee Company.